Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you, my dear friend?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What is your name?
I am Ilhan. Your name?
I am a Mujahid. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
How are you reading madrasa?
I reading a madrasa.
Are you reading madrasa?
Yes, I reading a madrasa.
What is your madrasa's name?
My madrasa name is Bangladesh Noorani Madrasa.
What is your madrasa principal's name?
My madrasa findings father and principal Hafiz Qari S.M. Saiful Islam.
What is your madrasa chairman's name?
My madrasa findings and chairman's Maulana Niamtullah Shahib.
Has one subject to reading is madrasa?
Is Quran, Hadith, Dua, Mas'ala and English, Bangla, Math, Medicine.
I am happy to that with you. Thank you very much.
Welcome, thank you too. Assalamu alaikum.
MashaAllah.